everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And in this series, we are making a number of YouTube videos on various softwares. We are also open for our live online classes. So if you want to join our live online classes, then you can find the details in the description. Now, let's come to today's video. Today we are going to learn how you can change the user interface according to your requirement. So we will discuss three basic things. First, we will learn how you can change font size in the ribbon, and then we will learn how you can change the icons of toolbar. Second, we will learn how to hide or unhide these icons. And third, we will learn how you can change the view angles of your model. So let's start with the first point, that is changing the font size of the ribbon and changing the icons of toolbar. So for that we need to go to File and then go to Settings. Here you have an option of changing the font size. So you can do that by simply dragging this to the left or right, and you can see the font size of the ribbon is changing. Now let's come to toolbar. So we have these icons in the toolbar, and if I will go for the medium or large, then you will find that the sizes of these icons are enlarging. So I will keep it small because I like it this way. Now let's come to the second point, how you can hide or unhide the icons present in the toolbar. So for that you have this hide switch. From here you can either hide these icons or you can also unhide these icons. For example, this is our select tool and I want to hide this. So I will go over here and unhide this select tool. Now if I want to get it back, then I can just unhide it. Now let's come to the third point, how you can change the view angles. For that, all you need to do is to select the object, right click over here and then go to create view, and from there 3D view. There you have an icon. So click on this, and on this view angle icon you can see you have a bunch of views from the left, from the top, from the back, right, bottom or front. So you can have all these views from here. So this is how you can change the view angles of any model. If you want to learn any particular thing in Tekla structures, you can comment in the comment section, like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.